Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am making mutton chops. So here I have 1 kg of mutton chops. So it's really super easy and simple recipe, also very delicious. So you can see and enjoy this recipe. So what we're gonna put in this mutton chops, here we have 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 2 tablespoon of yogurt. There's some pinch of kasturi methi. Here is 1 teaspoon of 1.5 teaspoon of ajwain, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of turmeric, and some of the Bihari kebab masala according to your taste. I also put here some of the soya sauce, and I will put also olive oil. So let's start the recipe. First we have to marinate all the chops. So I'm gonna put all the spices in the pan. And mix them well. Okay, so guys, here's marination is completed. I put soya sauce as well. So now I am putting here some of the olive oil, and we have to take rest from the recipe for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then after resting in this pan, I will start the steaming, because these chops are steamed chops, not oven chop, not fried chop. These are steamed chops, so they are so amazing. Bye, see you later. To marination, I just put the chops on the stove, and they are going to make, and that's it. Guys, here we go. Chops are ready to serve. Steam, and chops are ready to serve.